What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Past the Castle Walls by Lil Peep. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free, brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning, and I will have the guitar tab that I made myself for this song in the description below. This is going to be about, I want to say like 98% accurate. I listened to this song a bunch of times and tried to figure out the exact tab, and this is pretty much as close as you're going to get with it being as easy as it can get. Because I think there's two guitars going on, but with Lil Peep, who knows? There's, you know, so many samples and so much stuff going on. But this is gonna be at least like 98% accurate, so it will sound almost identical to the song. You're starting out with this formation here with your index finger on the D string on your 5th fret, and then your ring finger on the 7th fret on the G string, and then your pinky finger is gonna be on the 6th fret on your high E string, and you're gonna use your index finger to just bar from the D string all the way down. Now starting here, you're going to pick that D string, then you're going to pick your G string, then you're going to pick your high E string, and then your G string again, and then your high E again, and then your G string again, and then take that middle finger off to where your index finger is barring the 5th fret on your E string and pick it there, and then put your middle finger on the 6th fret on the B string right here, pluck it once, and then slide it up to the 8th fret. So what that looks like slowly is this. So D, G, E, G, E, G, E, B, slide up to the 8th fret. So all together, that looks like this. Now from there, you're going to keep your middle finger on the 8th fret of your B string, and then put your index finger on the 8th fret of the G string. And now you slid up from the 6th fret to the 8th fret. Then you're going to pluck the 8th fret of your G string, and then you're going to pluck B, G, B, G, and then go down to the 6th fret on your B string, pluck it, and then the 7th fret of your G string. So that looks like one more time. Slide G, B, G, B, B, G. So all together slowly, the first part of the song looks like this. I'll do that one more time. Now luckily the second part of this song starts out the same exact way. You're going to go D, G, B, G, B, G, take that middle finger off again, and then instead of going to the 6th fret on your B string, you're going to put your pinky finger on the 8th fret of your B string, pluck that, and slide it up to 10 on your B string. So that looks like I'll do that one more time. D, G, E, G, Now once you get there, you're going to put that ring finger on the 10th fret of your D string, and you're going to plug that, take your pinky off and put your index finger on the 8th fret of your B string, and plug that. You do that twice, so 1, 2, 1, 2. Pluck that D string one more time, then you're going to the 6th fret of the B string, 8th fret of the B string. So what that looks like from the slide, pinky slides up to 10, ring finger on the 10th fret of the D string, put that index finger on the 8th fret of the B string, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 on the B string. So again, altogether the second half looks like this. I'll do that one more time for you guys. Now, like I said, if you need the tab for this, it might be easier to look at the tab while you're watching the video and practicing. It is in the very bottom of the description. What I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to play through this a few times very, very slowly so you can see what it looks like all together. If you need the tab, go jump into the description, grab the tab. I'm going to play through it slowly for you now. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.